Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the purchase order in the buying function of Parsimony. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use this form to gain valuable insights into your purchases. To begin, let's navigate to the buying module in the Parsimony dashboard. Click here to access the buying-related functions. Once you're in the buying module, locate the buying tool. This tool provides important forms to help you manage your purchasing activities effectively. Click on the purchase order to access the list. To open a new purchase order form, click on the New button. Enter the supplier's name in the supplier field. If the supplier is not already in the system, you can create a new supplier record. Add the items you wish to purchase by selecting them from the item list. You can specify the quantity, rate, and other details for each item. Fill in any specific terms and conditions related to the purchase in the designated field. This may include payment terms, delivery instructions, or any other relevant information. Once you have filled in all the necessary details, save the purchase order as a draft. Review the information to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct, you can submit the purchase order. Congratulations! You've learned how to create a purchase order in the buying function of Parsimony. Thank you for watching this tutorial.